Wow. Ow, ow! Hey! That is a Deathlayer rooster, little cockerel. Thank gosh I've got one. That's a little girl. There's an Americana. There's another Americana. You can tell it's kind of hot. There's another Deathlayer chick. That's a silver Deathlayer. And you can see back here, look at that one. Isn't she pretty? There's a little pullet. See the, I don't know if you can see it, but she's got rounded feathers on her butt, like this little girl here. Rounded feathers on her butt. These are some of the babies that I brought out today. Let's see. Those are, I bought a trio of silver Deathlayers because I need a boy really, really bad. Here, move guys. There is a chamois Appenzeller baby. I don't know if you can see it. Come on guys. I just brought those out today. And then of course Jubilee Orpingtons. That's a Turken baby. I think it's a Turken cockerel. You can see on these guys here, they've got sharper feathers. Like that boy right there, see how they've got the sharper feathers right by their tails? That's called saddle feathers. I didn't realize how much I've learned about chickens until earlier. I was in there in the house and I was doing a record of the videos I did last year. Look at that one. She's so cute. Oh, the babies are hiding under there. Here's more babies. Those are Appenzeller babies right there. See them? I just brought these guys out today. And then you can see down here. Well, maybe you can. There you go. I just brought those babies out because it's good and warm. So I like having them outside better than having them in the house. What the hell? Did something get in here? But these are my, this is April 2024. So these are my, I've actually raised all of these and got them out here. There's my houdons. I just thought I would come out and spend some time. If you could see, my husband brought me these so I could set out here with my babies.